council garden for a disabled child. Come and have a look at this. Take this. Now the key point is when the resident that moved in, it was like that over there, right? It's a complete mess. Came and did it. Now bear in mind, these people are paying rent, all right? They come in, left it like this, it overgrew again, they've come back out of courtesy and they've left it like this. What you're looking at is a mother with a disabled child who needs outdoor play as part of being able to function as a human being. And this is the state of the garden. This is an individual who tries, who, if the garden would have been something she could have kept up, as in if they'd have done it properly, surfaced it, put turf on there, made it into a proper garden, she would have maintained it, no problem. But maintaining this is an absolute impossibility. Look at it. It's uneven. Stuff dumped over here, just bricks, stuff dumped there I can't even see, lumps. It's not a safe environment to bring a child. You can't bring a child. Your little one needs to play outside. How on earth can she play here?
She can't. She's already fallen, cut her wrist open. I'm lucky she didn't need hospital attention, if I'm honest.
But you've cut back over there yourself. I just don't understand how you rent a property, you're paying rent, and this is what they leave you. This is what they give you.
And if I don't keep on top of it, I'll get a fine in 3 months. But
You're going to
how
get a
can
fine in 3 months. Well, 2 ways of playing this. I'm going to go to Cardiff Council and complain, because having spoken to you, having known what you're doing, what you're about, if they'd have given you a decent garden, of course you'd have maintained it.
Of course.
No problem at all. Give it a mow, whatever. But how on earth can you maintain this?
You can't. It's all brambles.
Brick service bricks, there's all stones, holes, stuff dumped over there. This is the really dreadful way that authorities treat working class people in our communities, and it's not good enough. 2 ways of doing it. I'm complaining to Cardiff Council anyway, because rent is expensive nowadays.
And it's just gone up again.
How much are you paying for the property?
Now I believe it's 132 a week, or 13284 a week.
So before people start living their lives, they've got council tax to pay, they've got rent to pay, and this is what they're left with. Another way forward is maybe to do a crowdfunder. Maybe after the election we can do a crowdfunder, and maybe any local tradespeople out there in the gardening game want to get in touch, either do it free as a favour, or maybe crowdfund it so we can do a proper job and get it turfed. And then do you know what? We should bill the council for the upgrade in the property. We'll see how we get on. Watch this space. Diolch yn fawr.